Hey students, here we go. Let's talk about how to navigate the online textbook. So the online textbook is actually going to be attached to all of the bookwork. So I think if I were to click on the bookwork, there should be a link to it. So I'm going to go and fast forward. It should be on any, like right here. You click on the 1.4 bookwork. It should take you right to all of the goodies. There's the online textbook. The online textbook will be linked to every single bookwork assignment. You can also find it in the links to bookmark folder along with IXL, the IXL master list, and the online calculator. So let's click on the online textbook. It's going to take you to the Pearson sign-in page. You sign in. If you need your username and password, let me know. I'll get them back to you as fast as I can. It's going to look a little bit different. I think most of yours look like the thumbnail view. Now this is the teacher version, so it looks a little bit different. You don't have all of these goodies up top here. The fastest way is make sure you click on Browse. Okay, again, click on Browse. And then you want to click on any chapter. So I'm going to go eeny, meeny, miny, chapter 1. You want to click on any lesson, eeny, meeny, miny, you. And then up top should be a student. I get the teacher textbook because I am a teacher. You should have the student e-text right here. So click on the student e-text. That will get you to this one where you open it in a new window. And then it should take a second. Sometimes it loads. Yep, little loading bars. That's kind of nice. Let me get the window down a little bit so we can see everything. There we go. All right, here is the online textbook. Your best friend. Now, since we clicked on it from the 1-3 lesson, it's going to bring you to the 1-3 page, which is page 16. Okay. Down here, you can see there is, hold on a second. Oops, that's not what I wanted. I want to bring the window up a little bit, please. There we go. There's a 2-page view right here. So you can see 2 pages at once as soon as it lets me do that. Okay, cool. There's page 15 and page 16. I think you have to close that, or you can flip the page. All right, so you can flip 2 pages at a time. There we go, 17, 18, all that cool stuff. Close that. So the 1-page view is the easiest one to navigate, though. The best way to navigate, I've found, is by clicking on the menu, clicking on the table of contents, then using all the drop-down tabs. So as you can see, it's got page 16 in the drop-down tab. So let's drop that up. Is that a thing? Can you drop something up? Yeah. All right. So now it kind of breaks it down by chapter. Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4. But they start with the page, so you can use this to find pages quickly. So if I wanted to go to page 200, well, 200 is going to be between those 2 pages. So let me drop that down. 162, 164, 171, page 200. Oh, there you go. There you are. Well, I don't want page 200. I want page 203. Okay. Drop the tab. 201, 202, 203. Goodbye, lobster. Hello. Oh, look, cool. Graph number lines and interval notation. Ooh, what's that? That's fun. The online textbook's pretty neat in that there are links. Okay, interval notation. What is that? If you click on that, I think that pops up the definition right there. Cool. Let me go to the previous page. Page 202 highlights over here. Problem number 4. I think if I click on this, it'll take you right to the video of how to do problem number 4. Click on that. It'll go right to the video of how to do number 4. Nice. Okay. So the online textbook is amazing. Okay. Let's see where to go. Okay, that's the video. All right. So the online textbook is pretty amazing. All of the problems have their own examples. I think even when you get to the bookwork, let's say we get to the bookwork of this lesson. I'm not sure if it is a book assignment. This even links you back to the problems where these questions are related. So let's say you're struggling with number 9 and number 10, and it's like, well, if you're not good at these, go back to problem 1. Okay, click on that. It takes you back to problem 1. How do you do problem 1? Click on it, and there's the video. And then I'm not sure, is this like 2 extra things? What is this? What are you? Extra play button. Is it just talking? Yeah, sorry, I have the audio turned off, so whatever. All right, so that's about it. I mean, the online textbook is amazing, all right? And the online textbook, most of the problems that I do in the notes are based off the textbook problems, okay? So all the way back to the very first lesson, I think the first note says something about page 4. So if we're going all the way to the very, very first notes, I think it says, hey, look at problem number something on page 4. if it is loading here. Can you do that for me, please? Please? No? Why is it not working for me? Why doesn't it like me? What's going on here, friends? Sorry, live action problems. There we go. Let's refresh that. All right, table of contents. There we go. I want to go back to chapter 1, please. Page 4. There we go. Okay, cool. So this was the problem that I did in the notes. So there's a video of me going over it, and then there's a video of the book going over it. So if you don't like the way that I go over it, then you can also learn from the book. So you have tons and tons of resources, my students. All right, so that's how you navigate the online textbook. There's links, there's vocab, there's videos. Not only can you find the book work pages, but you can also find lots of awesome resources to the online textbook. All right, that is the online textbook.